I took me a while to figure this out, so I figured nobody else knows how to do it either. So I thought I'd make a short video on how to take linear features and drape them over a Lidar surface or any surface to get the polyLineZ values into the line feature. So it took me a minute, so I figured it out. And there is a 3D analyst tool over here in the geoprocessing toolbox called let's see, is it under features, interpolation, expand that, interpolate shape, and then you add in the surface, which is the Lidar I'm using from 2018. I'm gonna grab a levy line. I'm just going to use a selected one here, so let me go select this one. If I turn on selection, let's see, and this one. Yeah, let me make sure. Yeah, because I did that one before. Okay, so I'm going, and I have a LiDAR from 2018. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to geoprocessing. It's going to work on the 5 records that I got. I'm going to write it out. Now, I did see that there was a problem writing it to my current home geodatabase. That's mostly because I believe someone else is also working on the geodatabase and they're not sole user, but I'm going to do this one again. So I don't want to overwrite the other one. Let me do this. And I'll end up appending these into my layer that I'm generating these from. So, but currently, let's just show before I make the changes that the levy lines that are selected, their attributes are 0. So there's no Z values in these. Okay. And then we geoprocess them. You do it bilinearly. You can do it nearest neighbor, but then you only get the vertices of the lines. I want to get it all along the line there. So, and I put in a sampling distance of 1. That's probably like every 1 foot or something. Then you run it. All green. Table of contents. This one here. I'm going to clear my selection. And I'm going to select these. And we're going to clear those. And then we're going to go look at the attributes. And they have Z values. 1 is probably overkill, looking like it here. So lots of Z values in here. And then I can use that to populate the min, max, and average for each one of these here. So that's what I'm going to be able to do with that once I gather up the data. So I don't need to append them back in. I probably will because they're polyLineZ, and I'd like to have some of these as 3D. All right, hope that helps.